69.3.
Nice.
Oh, come on, sneeze or don't.
Look into the light, Graham. Look into the light. That might help.
That. Sneeze or don't.
It didn't help.
Don't.
At least it's don't.
It just shoved that sneeze right back in there.
Yeah.
That's so annoying.
Well, thank you very much to our generous benefactor who took us up over 10K and the next hour.
Yes.
there.
I'm sorry we missed your name.
It was
1,000
and change. I
goodness.
missed it.
Very likely.
It was very generous.
That's
Julie,
astonishing.
I don't personally have a photic sneeze reflex, but I know that it is a thing, so it was worth a shot.
I'm quite photosensitive. Like if I go out in bright sun, I'm like, and I can't like have my eyes open.
Penelope has a Vasovagal.
Yeah, I assume she gets it from me. But yeah, for some reason that doesn't necessarily work.
Yeah, well, it doesn't work for everybody, but it was worth a shot.
She does sneeze in sunlight though, and I don't.
I'm so sorry. I heard evasive bagel.
No, it's
My daughter, the evasive bagel.
A Vasovagal.
Is that or is that part of the word?
It's vagal. It's a
Vaso?
A vasovagal. It's the vagal nerve, the
One
vagus
sec.
nerve. That's what can cause you to have like when you sit up and you get woozy, and sometimes people just black out on you.
Yeah, I have that too.
Yeah, that's you can have a vasovagal response. You can also accidentally like if you eat something too fast and stuff. Some people will like have the response and like
Sneeze.
sneeze, or if they're pooping really hard, they'll faint.
Wow.
That nerve is a special nerve that can cause some crazy stuff to happen.
Huh.
That's a good thing that's never
they're
happened.
lovely symptoms of a vagal response.
Okay.
Cool.
Fainting, feeling warm, ringing.
Cool.
Interesting.
Well, that's a
It's-
Faint while I
it's-
poop.
It's super. Okay, first off, if you haven't done it yet, you're probably okay. So if you have surgery, it's one of the common things when we're getting someone up the first time after surgery, because they'll like sit up, they'll be like, oh, I'm good, I'm good, and then suddenly they'll look at you and then they'll just. And you're
Down
like,
they
and that's
go.
why we don't stand up. Just put you right back into bed as you faint. It's all good.
Well, I have a very problematic whatever that thing was that you said.
Vasovagal.
Yeah.
Evasive bagel.
Evasive bagel. Yes.
Evasive bagel.
But
Yep. It's a salt bagel. No one wants it.
Band?
And
Yes.
if you take nothing else away from this event, evasive bagel to you all.
evasive bagel.
If you black out when you poop, you might have an evasive bagel. Just make sure to tighten that ring and you're good to go.
I don't.
Nope. Okay, leaving. Nope.
Jordan. Welcome to Jordan Poop Talk.
I'm on vacation from work right now. No, thank you.
Thank you.
How did someone have that photo?
The code word is evasive bagel.
So the half chat activates and blacks out.
I lost the username. I lost the username, but I caught Crouching Tiger, evasive bagel.
Okay. Here's a challenge.
You're
Wow.
Say
Matt.
fighting.
Yes? Oh, you removed